Hey guys, just gonna show you the chimney that I use with my charcoal grill. I mentioned it in the previous video when I was grilling. This is basically what it looks like. On the bottom you'll see there's a little space down there. We're gonna wad up some paper. If you got newspaper, it's ideal. I just have regular, but we're just gonna stuff that with the paper. Okay, so you can see the paper is tucked in down there. Now we're going to pour the charcoal right in the top and bring it, depending on how much you're grilling, on how full you want it. I'm going to grill some pork chops, so I'm going to fill it up. Okay, so you can see it's full. Now I'm going to go down and light the paper underneath. Move around to the sides. Just give it a few lights here and there. Now I can see the smoke starting to come up. It does indicate that there's still some fire, but I'm not seeing it very well. I'm going to keep using the flame to light it again in a few more places. As long as there is smoke coming out of the top, you know there's a flame. What it's going to do now is start to ignite from below your charcoals, and we're going to see those start to turn red as they go up, as the heat starts to rise and burn. So we're going to give that about 15 or 20 minutes, and we'll keep checking on it. You can see it's still rising. Okay, we're almost there. You can see that the charcoals are starting to turn white. You can still see the flames coming up. So right there you can see the thermometer, and it'll keep going up. With as many charcoals as I'm using, it's probably going to get between 300 and 400 degrees. So I'm going to let my pork chops cook maybe 15 or 20 minutes and come out and check them.